volunteer at a local community center. He donates 3 hours per week to help run a children's sports program. This table helps Aiden keep track of the number of volunteer hours he's accumulated at the community center. The pattern in this table shows a relationship. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, and so on. Aiden's total number of volunteer hours is related to the number of weeks that he has volunteered. Aiden's total volunteer hours is 3 times the number of weeks that he has volunteered. Or we could write it like this. Total volunteer hours is 3N, where N is the number of weeks that he has volunteered. Let's consider another situation. The last time I took a cab ride, I watched the meter, and here's what I noticed. The cost of the cab ride increased the farther I traveled, but this table is a bit different from the first one we looked at because the cost of the cab ride is not a multiple of the distance traveled in kilometers, even though it seems to be going up by 2 for each kilometer traveled. What would happen if I followed the pattern backward and added another column right here? Following the pattern backward, I would put a 0 in this spot, and I would put a 5 in this spot. This column tells me that before the cab driver had even started driving, the meter already said $5. Then it increased by $2 for the first kilometer, $2 for the second kilometer, and so on. Let's look at this more closely. Before the cab started driving, the meter said $5. After 1 kilometer, the meter said $7 or 5 plus $2. After the second kilometer, another $2 was added. So we have 5 plus $2 2 times. After the third kilometer, another $2 was added. So we have 5 plus 2 3 times. And so on. For the fourth kilometer, 5 plus 2 4 times. And for the fifth kilometer, 5 plus 2 5 times. We can also follow this pattern backward in the table and rewrite this expression as 5 plus 2 1 time, and this one is 5 plus 2 0 times. The pattern in this table also shows a relationship. The cost of the cab ride is related to the distance traveled in kilometers. More specifically, in every case, the cost of the cab ride is 5 plus 2 times the distance traveled. The cost of the cab ride in dollars is 5 plus 2D, where D is the distance traveled in kilometers.